Hi guys. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about what happens to your body when you do 100 push-ups every day. Push-ups are a classic exercise that targets the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core muscles. So, let's find out what benefits you can expect from doing this exercise every day. Doing 100 push-ups a day can lead to numerous benefits for your body. Firstly, it can help you build significant upper body strength. Push-ups target several major muscle groups, and by doing 100 reps a day, you'll be working your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core muscles. This can help you build muscular endurance, which can help you with other exercises and everyday activities. Secondly, doing 100 push-ups every day can help you build muscular definition in your upper body. If you're looking to tone your chest and arms, push-ups are a great way to do so. By doing 100 push-ups every day, you'll be consistently challenging your muscles, which can lead to increased definition over time. Thirdly, doing 100 push-ups every day can help you burn calories and lose weight. Push-ups are a compound exercise, which means they work multiple muscle groups at once. By doing 100 reps a day, you'll be burning a significant amount of calories and increasing your metabolism. This can lead to weight loss and a leaner, more toned physique. Lastly, doing 100 push-ups every day can improve your posture and overall health. Push-ups require you to engage your core muscles, which can help improve your posture and alignment. This can help prevent back pain and other issues that can arise from poor posture. So, there you have it. Doing 100 push-ups every day can lead to significant benefits for your body, including increased strength, definition, weight loss, and improved posture. However, it's essential to ensure that you're performing push-ups with proper form to avoid injury. Additionally, if you're new to exercise or have any underlying health conditions, it's essential to consult with your doctor before starting any new exercise routine. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.